Can you guess what we're gonna do here? I got some ham. I got some eggs. I got a muffin pan that's been greased. Got a little bit of cheese. All right, I'm gonna heat that oven to 400 degrees. And I'll tell you what, I'm gonna put a little more cheese on the top of this. As soon as that oven preheats, I'm gonna stick it in there at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. This will be the first time I've ever done this. Oh, come on, why won't you open? Oh, for the love of God. I'll open that later. All right, when this oven preheats, I'll be right back. It's pretty bad when the bag of cheese outsmarts me. All right. Be right back. All right, on this one, I'm trying something. I'm gonna try a salami cover on it and see what happens. All right, 15 minutes. All right, see you in 15 minutes. Alrighty. Oh, that looks good. I gotta let that cool, and I'll dig them out of there. That might look good. I'll give it 5 minutes to cool. All right, that's still pretty hot. Probably still too hot to eat, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut into it, and we'll see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Tell you what, I put that in for 15 minutes. It's just a tiny bit runny. I'll bet another 2 or 3 minutes would have been perfect. Let me give this a little taste. Boy, if you had some peppers or some mushrooms you put in the bottom of this. Oh yeah. Yep. That's a heck of a way to eat an egg right there. I'm gonna try that salami one next. Oh, you fell down. This is not the first time I've done that. Well, I'm gonna have to do this all over. All right. That's really good. And that's brown sugar ham too. So it really tastes good. That is a good way to eat an egg. I'm gonna do that again. So what are we gonna call this? Ham and egg muffin, I guess. Ham and egg muffin, that's what we'll call it. Thanks for watching, y'all.